I'm assuming that this will work fine potentially, but I have low expectations because this thing was a piece of trash. Not only this is metal, but the screw glue, it's not focusing, but the screw glue came out and it doesn't work properly. So that is now stuck on my A7S III. I mean, I can get it off with pliers probably, but that's something to be aware of. And I tried it again down here and same issue. It is just stuck on the thing because this one just fell out. Both of them fell out immediately, these quarter screws. So I'm assuming the rest of it will fall apart. This was the first time I've ever tried it. Assuming the rest of them will fall apart almost immediately. This part, who knows? It's metal ball bearing, and that all looks good. I'm not gonna bother returning it because it's $15.